Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Normally, whenever Indian Defense Forces index or procures any defense item from other countries, we mention that it is going to boost the combat power of that particular force. And now, this video is not about importing any defense item by India, but it's actually about the export of defense item from India. In another achievement for defense export, India is expected to soon get orders from Philippines for their indigenous BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. It is said that both DRDO and BrahMos Aerospace have been pushing hard for exports of this missile to friendly foreign countries, and very soon this is going to get fruitified. According to the defense sources, India and the Philippines are in advanced stage of negotiations over the sale of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, and the export order is likely to be placed very soon. In addition to the Philippines, there are many more countries who have shown interest in these versatile missiles of India. To give a quick overview about the BrahMos missiles, the BrahMos is a ramjet supersonic cruise missile which is designed, developed, and manufactured by BrahMos Aerospace. BrahMos Aerospace is a joint venture company between India and Russia. These missiles can be launched from submarines, ships, aircraft, or land-based platforms. It is notably one of the fastest supersonic cruise missiles in the world. There are a variety of BrahMos missiles like BrahMos 2, BrahMos Next Generation, and BrahMos Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle variant. And in addition to this, BrahMos Aerospace is also planning to test the Airborne Early Warning Aircraft Killer variant as well. Each of these BrahMos missile variant have their own range and power. BrahMos 2 variant is currently under development and is estimated to have a range of 600 km and a speed of Mach 8, which is double the speed of current BrahMos missile. The discussion of acquiring these BrahMos missile by the Philippines started during October 2019. In November 2020, Philippines Secretary of Defense said that the plan to acquire BrahMos cruise missiles is going to be kept on hold due to fund issues. The procurement process of BrahMos was already in the advanced stage by March 2020, but the COVID-19 pandemic halted the entire process and caused the Philippines to reprioritize its budget. Now, after a break, the Philippines resumed the procurement process for the missile, signing an arms agreement with India in March 2021 to potentially acquire the Indian weapons, including the BrahMos missile. So this was a quick video to provide details about India's plan to export the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile to Philippines. And we also saw a little info about the deal and also about the missile. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.